Today we're going to take a look at the differences between the Oxyflow Mini sitting chamber and the standard Oxyflow chamber. Now both these chambers are very ergonomic and they both zip down from the top here down. They're both 3-zipper systems and they allow for any one of our 3 chairs to fit inside the chamber. We have a green mesh chair, a high weight chair for heavier people, and a PU leather chair. Now, both chambers are 43 inches tall at the back of the unit. So they allow that flexibility for you to sit in the chamber. The standard Oxyflow chamber can also double as a lying type chamber for those people who are 6 foot or above. The Oxyflow Mini chamber can act as a lying chamber for those a little bit under 6 foot. Okay. Now, this chamber is available at 1.3, 1.4, or 1.5 ATA. The standard Oxyflow chamber is available only at 1.3 and 1.4 ATA. Right now we do have both chambers pressurized to show the maximum size of each chamber. This particular chamber is also equipped with air conditioning. We also have our 10 liter per minute oxygen generator and the standard 72 liter per minute air compressor. The dual action air conditioning system would provide substantial cooling inside the chamber up to 10 degrees. If you're in a hot or humid climate like Florida, South Carolina, Georgia, you definitely want our dual action air conditioning system. Otherwise you could be very, very uncomfortable inside the chamber. Now, the standard Oxyflow chamber has 2 windows on each side, so a total of 4 windows, whereas the regular Oxyflow chamber has only 1 window. The Oxyflow Mini chamber has 4 ports here on the chamber, and the Oxyflow chamber has a couple ports, 3 ports on the back of the chamber, along with 3 spare ports on the chamber. Okay, so and you have 1 spare port here. You also have your emergency pressure release valve on each of these systems. Okay, so here your configuration on this side is going to be the same for both chambers. You have your external pressure gauge and your internal pressure gauge. Your fully adjustable open-close valve here. Okay, you have your bolster on the bottom. Each one of these chambers will have a mattress in there with the chair sitting on top of the mattress. Inserting the chair is optional when you're doing your session if you feel that you just want to sleep in the chamber. Both chambers come with a standard compressor, 72 liter compressor. This is an ultra quiet 55 dB compressor, the quietest in the marketplace. It also has a dehumidifier as a standard option and the 20 liter per minute DeVilbiss 10 oxygen generator. These systems are both 3-zipper systems. You have the outer cover that supports the chamber along with a 2-zipper system inside with a center seal that balances the pressure between the multi-zipper system. Both systems are very roomy and you'll be comfortable in either system. Again, the mini chamber is designed for those customers who have limited space and require a smaller chamber. These chambers are great for wellness centers or home users. Wellness centers really love these chambers because most of their customers would want to sit down and utilize a tablet or watch Netflix videos during their sessions. Stop by www.oxygenhealthsystems.com and view these chambers on our website You can call and talk to one of our specialists to go over whatever your hyperbaric needs are. We have a full selection of chambers for you. So you can view all these products on our website, www.oxygenhealthsystems.com. Thank you.